Haircuts gone wrong? Fix it fast. Meet the Wahl Color Pro Cordless Clipper. Ever faced a bad haircut that left you hiding under hats for weeks? Or maybe you've spent a fortune on salon visits only to walk out disappointed? The struggle to find a reliable, easy-to-use clipper ends here. Introducing the Wahl Color Pro Cordless Clipper, your answer to stress-free, salon-quality haircuts at home. No more expensive appointments, uneven trims, or tools that just don't cut it, literally. With its color-coded guide combs and cord/cordless convenience, this clipper makes DIY haircuts a walk in the park. Imagine confidently trimming your hair without second-guessing the length or worrying about snagging. The Wahl Color Pro is built with self-sharpening stainless steel blades that glide effortlessly through all hair types. Whether you're cleaning up your style or giving the kids a quick trim, this clipper's lightweight and ergonomic design makes it user-friendly, even for beginners. Its color-coded combs let you skip the guesswork and get straight to grooming, while the removable, rinseable blades make cleanup a breeze. No fuss, no mess, just great haircuts every time. Travel plans? No problem. The Wahl Color Pro's cordless design means you can use it anywhere, no outlets required. With 60 minutes of runtime and universal voltage, it's the ultimate travel companion. Need extra power? Simply switch to corded mode for uninterrupted grooming. Whether you're at home, on vacation, or squeezing in a trim before a meeting, this clipper has your back. It's built for versatility, so you're always just a few minutes away from looking sharp. Tired of spending big bucks on barbershops? This budget-friendly tool saves you time and money while delivering professional-grade performance. Designed to last, it's a tech-tested, durable clipper that handles repeated use without losing sharpness or power. Perfect for men, women, and kids, it's a one-stop grooming solution for the whole family. Forget cheap trimmers that break after a few cuts. This kit is built to go the distance, proving that quality doesn't have to cost a fortune. Ready to take control of your style? The Wahl Color Pro Cordless Kit isn't just about haircuts, it's about confidence. With step-by-step instructions and a full set of easy-to-use accessories, you'll feel like a pro from the start. Pack it all in its premium storage case for neat organization or on-the-go grooming. Whether you're gifting it to a loved one or treating yourself, this kit turns haircuts into a fun, stress-free experience. Don't wait, transform your grooming routine with the Wahl Color Pro Cordless Clipper and make every cut count.